Today we're going bass fishing. Let's see what we can get into. There it is. There he is. Little guy. Little pickerel. Nice. There's a little pickerel. Little slime dart. There he is. Alright. Now we both got the skunk out of the boat.
Both different kinds.
Yep. One pickerel, one bass. And I tell you, that Gary Yamamoto got all chewed up from that one fish. They don't last like the yums. The yums, you can catch 10 fish on a yum worm, man, and still catch more. Yeah, I feel like when they first came out, the rubber was a lot stronger. They've always worked good. They worked pretty well, but I definitely like a worm that I could beat up, because I like fishing the weeds and stuff and the trees. And bring one of these through the weeds and it's torn up just from fishing. Oh, there's a good one, buddy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Control this over here a little bit. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Second pickerel of the day. Look at that thing. Heck yeah, buddy. Phew, little slime dart. Tell you what, I gotta take off this hat, coat. Starting to get warm.
So there's plenty.
Get warm. We can pull something out of there.
That looks pretty shallow.
Yeah. It's a lot of weeds back in here. It's actually not bad though. The weeds are down quite a bit.
Probably give it until August maybe.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Like the 5-pounder ones at France too.
Oh yeah, I know. There's one. There's one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, not.
Nope, missed it. Came off in the weeds. He was in there though. Buddy. Oh yeah, bring it in.
Decent size.
There we go. Oh yeah. They're growing. They're growing. Nice. There we go. Hold them up for the camera. Nice one. Yeah, they're growing. Must be heading in the right direction. Been pretty slow today, but considering there's no cloud cover, it's about 80 something degrees already. We got a few in the boat though.
Well, at least it's producing.
I think there's some more to come. We got some good spots over here coming up. Got some more weeds and that in that. Real hot days, we just gotta find the cover, like over here with the lily pads and the tree over there in the water. A lot of the fish will probably be hanging out under the structures because of the worm, so it should be fine. Yeah, buddy, that's a decent fish right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, nice. Come here. Come on. Let me just see you. Oh, yeah. Nice. There we go. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Oh, yeah. Gotta give them some love. There it is. Oh, little guy. Little guy. Send him back. Hanging out in that shade over there. There we go. Oh, there's one. There's one. Yeah. Nice. Another little guy. Yeah, no real huge ones today, but gotten a couple nice ones in the boat. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. There we go. Oh, not a bad one. Oh, come here, buddy. Yeah. There we go. Nice one. All right. Another beauty. Got us all spinning in circles over here. Tell you that shortened up my worm because I got a smaller hook. So I shortened the worm up a bit because I kept getting hits but not hooking up. So I made the worm a little bit shorter due to the smaller hook. Worm ain't the prettiest thing, but I tell you, it's working. Nice. Heck yeah, man. He fought that through them weeds. He felt like a monster. Nice little guy. All right, let's get him released. Yeah, we caught some nice fish today. That's going to wrap it up, though, for today. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. We had a good time out here. Caught some nice bass, some pickerel. Just using rubber worms, throwing rubber lizards. Green seems to be the color of the day. Can't go wrong with green pretty much everywhere. But that's going to be it for today. Thanks again for watching.